even while you sleep. Turn your laptop into a 24/7 affiliate sales machine. What if your laptop could make sales even while you sleep? No cold messages. No complicated ads. No begging for clicks. Using a simple affiliate system. Date: Saturday, A. 15, 2025. Thinking of making money online by selling digital products on platform like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo? Or maybe you have been considering building your own course from scratch? This offer will show you how to get started the right way. My name is Abdu, and what I am about to show you is the system behind nearly every 7-figure earner you see online. Top affiliates, full-time marketers, digital entrepreneurs. They all use this same proven formula to make serious money again and again, often with just a single click. I know what you've been through. You've probably spent hundreds, maybe even thousands, on expensive courses that promised to help you make income online. You've tried countless methods, bought into the hype, you've likely invested in more than a few get-rich-quick programs or affiliate marketing courses that left you with empty promises and an even emptier wallet, and hoped that this time would be different, only to fail over and over. I know exactly how it feels, putting in the effort, promoting offers, and only seeing 1 or 2 sales, if any. It's frustrating. You start to wonder, what am I doing wrong? And let's be honest. But here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. It's not your fault. The problem isn't your effort, it's the broken systems you've been sold. It's that you've been trying to build an online income without a real system, without a blueprint that works for you 24/7. That's why I'm sharing this proven, step-by-step system, designed to show you how to sell products on autopilot, without spending all day posting on social media, chasing leads. Russell Brunson, Jeff Walker, Vic Strigius, and John Crestani, these aren't just names, they're digital pioneers who've built powerful online businesses that generate passive income day after day. Take Jeff Walker, for example. An internet millionaire and seasoned entrepreneur, Jeff doesn't just make money, he's created a system that delivers a continuous stream of income by solving real problems in the market. He succeeded because he followed a formula that works. The moment he launched his latest product, something incredible happened. Sales started pouring in almost instantly. Every time he refreshed his dashboard, another sale. Then another. And another. The numbers climbed higher with every click, proving that when you follow a winning system, the results can be explosive. The numbers kept climbing, each new sale like a jolt of adrenaline. 5 more orders, then 10, then 20. Within the first hour, he had already pulled in $8,000. By the end of the day, that number had surged past $18,000. Jeff stared at the screen in disbelief as the total rose higher with every refresh. This was the moment he had worked so hard for, months of late nights, setbacks, and silent doubts. And now, in just a matter of minutes, it was all paying off, in a flood of sales that felt almost unreal. This wasn't luck. It was the result of a proven system, and the decision to finally do things differently. Jacob Hiller had one dream, growing up, to become a dunking basketball player. It wasn't just a hobby. It was an obsession. He wanted to jump higher, fly above the rim, and master a skill that seemed out of reach for most. But Jacob didn't just chase his own dream, he spotted something powerful, a gap in the market. He realized there were thousands of people just like him, desperate to learn how to jump higher. So he created a product. A no-fluff, practical jump training system packed with videos and real results. And then something amazing happened. Sales started pouring in. Jacob's business exploded, earning millions of dollars teaching athletes how to jump higher. All from a simple idea and a solution that met a real need. But here's the part most people never hear about. There was a secret system behind his success. A repeatable roadmap. A process that made every sale automatic, and turned each customer into a repeat buyer, fueling passive income day after day. I am sharing with you the same system that allowed him to sell thousands upon thousands of copies, on autopilot. Now imagine what you could do with a system like that. Now imagine what you could do with a system like that. In a few hours. You grab your phone, cha-ching. Your first sale just came in. $27, then $48, then $112. That's the moment everything changes, when you realize you can actually make money online. And the best part? You don't need any experience, fancy tech skills, or a huge budget. Here's what this system does for you. Helps you set up your income stream step by step. No guesswork, shows you exactly where to find proven products that already sell, teaches you how to attract buyers 24/7 using simple, automated strategies, builds your confidence as you start seeing results, even small ones that grow fast. Whether you're working a 9 to 5, studying, or just tired of struggling, this system gives you a clear path to your first $100 to $500 per month, and it can all happen within 30 days or less. 24/7 earnings even if you're starting from scratch. Imagine this. Waking up to see sales notifications on your phone. Knowing that while you were asleep, your business was working for you. Feeling the excitement of finally moving forward instead of being stuck. That's the freedom this system unlocks. It all started in the very first month. This system pulled in over $1,000 for countless marketers who once struggled to make a dime online. And it didn't stop there. By the second month, revenue climbed to $700. In the third month, earnings jumped again to $970. Then came the fourth month, a staggering $1,832. Month after month, the results just kept stacking up. Each new milestone proved one thing: this system works. The beauty is in the consistency. No guessing. No gambling. Just a reliable system producing bigger and better numbers as time goes on. Imagine watching your income chart rise steadily higher every single month. That's what this system is doing for people right now. Month after month, this system has proven itself, delivering consistent, outstanding results. The numbers don't lie, they just keep climbing higher and higher. And let me be clear, this is no gimmick, no overnight, get-rich-quick promise. This is the real deal, a proven, sustainable system that works like clockwork. If you're tired of the endless grind, tired of constantly worrying about bills, debts, or whether you'll ever catch a break, then this is your chance to finally turn the page. I urge you, give this system a try. It has the power to transform your financial reality in ways you may not even believe possible right now. Because once you see it in action, you'll understand. This is the life-changing breakthrough you've been searching for. When you finally put this system into practice, I can say with absolute certainty, you'll never want to turn back. It truly is one of the most powerful and reliable money systems out there. Just imagine, working only a few hours a month, yet living life on your terms. That's exactly what so many internet marketers are doing right now. They're traveling to breathtaking destinations like Bali. They're spending quality, stress-free time with their families. They're pursuing passions they once put on hold, without money holding them back. This isn't just about making money. It's about buying back your freedom and living the life you've always dreamed of. Now, I want to introduce myself. My name is Abdurrahim, and I am a full-time internet marketer. When I first began my journey, I was a blank slate filled with ambition but lacking knowledge or a mentor to guide me through the complex world of online business. The digital landscape seemed daunting, filled with terms and strategies that felt like a foreign language. Yet, beneath the uncertainty lay a burning desire to succeed and prove myself. I dove into the world of internet marketing with nothing but determination and an insatiable curiosity. My days were consumed with late-night research, scouring forums, reading ebooks, and watching countless YouTube videos. Each new piece of information opened up avenues for exploration but also deepened my confusion. My journey taught me not just about digital marketing techniques but also about resilience and seeking help when necessary. Now, I'm committed to helping newcomers, sharing resources and the right blueprint so they can avoid the pitfalls that once held me back and find their paths toward success much faster than I did. Who really needs this secret? Are you a podcaster or YouTuber and would like to sell a webinar, coaching program, online course, consulting, or build a loyal customers list? Are you a beginner in affiliate marketing and would like to own that traffic and leads automatically? Are you a social media influencer who would like to sell or build a community? Do you have a business in several niches: weight loss, fitness, sport, health, golfing, MMO, dating, surfing, finance, social media, or some kind of passion? Are you an online marketer, influencer who would like to sell a service, courses, or digital information products? Are you an ambitious online entrepreneur looking to fill your funnel with laser-targeted leads? Have you got a YouTube channel and would like to turn viewers into a leads machine? Have experienced. Here is my feedback about this marketing system. It is an ecosystem to create sustainable online business, but you have to give a time and patience with it to craft the business, but at the end you will feel the difference how long it takes to make money. Forget this question, nothing comes within a night, you will feel a difference within first or second month, but you have to give effort for it, nothing comes with no output. If you want to speed up the efforts, small amount investing will be worth for short and long-term result. With that being said, the op requested if I could leave an honest review. Firstly, a lot of this information can be found free all over the web and this forum as well. In saying that, I did find some nuggets in this booklet, and generally that's what I look for when buying WSOs. This booklet is an ideal blueprint for anyone looking to kickstart their internet marketing path. This is a well-constructed, easy-to-follow guide using a few old-time tested methods for making money online and more. While I couldn't find something that I personally do not already know, this guide is a good one for someone starting out and looking for some good information all in one place without the need to scour all over the internet. The methods inside are all proven techniques that, if implemented diligently, can help you build a good online business. 30 days money-back guarantee. If, for any reason, you don't like this amazing product, you can get a full refund anytime within 30 days after your purchase. If you have any issues, just get in touch with me and I'll help you out to get the results you need or give you a swift refund. This system is simple, effective, and delivers results faster than I imagined. Have you ever caught yourself wondering, why am I not selling digital information products online while so many internet marketers and online entrepreneurs seem to be thriving? You're not alone. It's a question countless aspiring sellers struggle with, and the frustration is real. The truth? The difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck usually comes down to just two things: a winning strategy and a proven system. Tease a scenario most beginners face when starting their affiliate marketing journey. You take those first steps, signing up for a free account, scrolling through thousands of products across different niches, and carefully picking out offers with irresistible sales pages. You even check their gravity scores, write blog posts, and share honest insights about how these products could help your audience. Then, you wait. Days turn into weeks. Still, no sales. Frustrating, isn't it? Here's the good news: you don't have to figure this out on your own. There is a proven system that takes away the guesswork and helps you generate results faster than trial and error ever could. Want to share with you a simple secret cash system that all successful internet marketers have in common. This is the exact step-by-step process they use to drive traffic, generate leads, and close sales consistently and effectively. The best part? Anyone can implement this system no matter your niche. It works today, it will work tomorrow, and it's built to remain effective for years to come. With my guidance, you'll be able to start selling products easily and quickly, even if you're just starting out. Imagine having the tools and knowledge to create a sustainable income stream right from the comfort of your home. This system is designed to be user-friendly, practical, and highly effective, so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. I've already showcased this system to a handful of people, and the results have been nothing short of incredible. Now, it's your turn to harness its power and experience the benefits for yourself. Using this system, you can sell any product without being salesy. Selling is a lot like a mischievous cat. You can't chase it down and expect it to come to you. The harder you try to corner it, the more it runs and hides. But here's the secret: if you stop chasing and focus on what naturally attracts it, that curious little feline will come right to you and even curl up by your side. The same principle applies to sales. Stop forcing leads or trying too hard to sell. Focus on creating the right environment, and the sales will come to you naturally. The temptation to shout about your product is strong, but here's the truth: people today are savvier than ever. They can spot a sales pitch from a mile away. And the harder you try to force your product down their throats, the more they'll tune you out. Instead of the hard sell, imagine focusing on truly connecting with your prospects. taking the time to understand their pain points and showing them how your product can genuinely help. That's the approach that builds trust and loyalty, and it's far more effective than outdated, pushy tactics. What if I told you there's a smart selling framework that top internet gurus use to sell their online courses? This proven system and selling formula has helped countless course creators generate consistent revenue and sales no matter their industry or niche. It works like a charm, time and time again. But here's the catch. I'm about to let you in on a little secret. They're not telling you the whole story. Listen up, my friend. I'm about to share with you the most powerful sales formula, one that will have your customers practically begging to buy from you. Forget the old, buy my stuff, approach. That's a surefire way to get ignored. When you follow this formula, selling becomes effortless. Your customers will be so impressed by the value you provide that they'll happily purchase from you. No more pushy tactics. Just genuine connection. Let me take you on this journey and show you how to sell products online without wasting countless hours. And there's more. You'll also learn how to create the perfect sales page and interact with leads in ways that engage them and make them eager to respond. One-time payment, $37. Bonus #125-minute video. YouTube mass traffic strategy. Discover the cutting-edge technique top YouTube marketers are using right now to flood their business with targeted visitors. With this strategy, you'll learn how to tap into YouTube's massive audience to drive traffic, attract fresh leads, and generate sales, all on autopilot. Total value, $197. Get these 3 exclusive bonuses for free when you order today. These bonuses will give you insider strategies to get more traffic, leads, and show you how to sell. I want to share with you a step-by-step offer that will show you exactly how to start selling products and offers you don't even own. I'm not here to pressure you. But I will say this, it's very important to take action and see for yourself how full-time marketers are using this proven system to build multiple streams of income. P.S. For a one-time investment of just $37, you'll discover the exact same system I personally use in my own business, the same system that allows me to earn online with confidence and consistency. PPS. If financial freedom, more time, and the ability to work just a few hours a week are goals you truly want, then this product is your next step forward. PPPS. Remember, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Try it risk-free, and if you're not completely satisfied, just send me a message. I'll issue you a full refund, no questions asked. All the best. Who is this for? People looking to start a digital product business quickly. Entrepreneurs who want to start a done-for-you product with proven assets. Anyone who wants to own and sell a make money online info product without creating it from scratch. Secret Cash System. Get your offer today. The materials provided in Secret Cash System are not to be interpreted as a get-rich-quick scheme in any way. Your earning potential is entirely dependent upon you. The level of success you reach employing these techniques and ideas is entirely dependent upon you, your skills, your financial resources, your advertising and marketing knowledge, and your time that you devote to becoming successful. Because of these reasons, we cannot guarantee your earnings level, nor do we in any way, whether directly or indirectly, do so.